Hi! Hello YouTube, this is Charles, California. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with my Keepall 45. It's a cinnamon organizer that I bought for my Keepall because what happens is that when I use this, I really want the shape, at least to have the shape of this one intact. And then I hope that this organizer will help it, and then also at least it supports it from the bottom. So that's what I'm trying to do today. I decided I was contemplating if I'm going to get my bag organizer from Senamon or to Samorga, but because I looked at the prices, it's two-way. There's a big difference between the two. Samorga, it was like $130 for a Keepall 45 organizer, while with Cinnamon it's only like $45. And then plus I think I got a discount also for that on that particular day. So I grabbed the opportunity and see how's the quality of Cinnamon bag organizer, and then if that one is really going to help me with the organization in my bag. So today we're gonna open this up. This one came from Turkey, and then I ordered it, and then 2 days after, it's really a fast shipping with them. So I'm really happy. I'm really glad. She already processed it within less than a week. I got it. So I got this package within a week after buying it. So let's open this, and then I'm excited if how is this gonna be on my Keepall. Hopefully everything is good, and then they don't really want to open this. So yeah, it's an express package. So it's here. And then I made it a fun color, so I chose a royal blue. So nice. And then on the website too, she was telling us that there's an extra bag that, or an organizational bag that she's gonna give us. So which is this one, which is nice because this one is attachable to the middle of this, and then so that's how it looks like. See, it's nice. It's a blue. And then if you're going to look at it, I'll show it to you. So this is the main compartment of it, and then from the main compartment they do have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there's 4 pouches on the side, and there's a big pouch on the big side on this one, and then also there's 2 separated pouches on here, so you can really put things in it. So now this is the cool thing too that you can have. This is a divider with a zipper on top. So in the zipper there's one big compartment in there, and then on the sides, every side does have compartments. So, and then there's if you do have a pen or toothbrush that you need to put in, or so you can put that one on here. So let's see how is this gonna work with my Keepall. I love the color of this one. This is, by the way, this is not endorsed by Cinnamon. It's just that I'm pleased with their service. And let's see, this is gonna be my first one too. So so far so good. Now let's fit this one, this bag organizer, into my Keepall. So what we're gonna do is, because with my Keepall I stuff it with pillow, just to ta-da. Yeah, so my Keepall is here with the bandole, So that's that. Because in my Keepall, in the Keepall bag, you only have this this inside pocket with just one hole, and then there's nothing in there, just the zip up one, and then that's it. So I'm going to change the camera angle, and then I'm just going to focus on the Keepall and then the bag organizer, and let's see so that you're able to check it out real better. So here we are now, and then we're going to put this one inside. So let's see if that one will hold it. Oh, so yeah, it's black to black. So, and then I have this one, two, there you go. Wow. And then there you go. It fits good. It has more room on, it does have more room on the side, and then room on each side. And as if it's keeping the shape of it. Now, I don't really need to put my pillow inside, because it's having its structure better, and it's keeping it that way. So far so good. I'm so happy with this one, with the Senamon organizer, that it's keeping its shape right now. And I will update you guys when I use this one next month when I do my travel, and let's see if it will keep the shape of it still. Because when I the problem with this one when I travel is that it's sagging. So when you hold it like this, it was like that. It was like this. So that's the problem. And especially if I do use the bandolier, the strap of it, it's really going to be creasing up like this. So this one, at least it's shaping it. It's keeping the shape of it, and then it's going to be probably creased up a little bit, but that's it. Because the organizer itself is tall than the usual. Let me show it to you again. And it's easy to put in because it folds in the middle, and then you can really take it. See, the height of this one is taller enough that it will keep at least half of the shape of this one. So let's see how is this gonna work, and then I will update you on that. But so far so good. I'm happy with the color. I'm happy with all the compartments that it will have for you for your stuff, and then for the extra one that it gives you, an extra compartment. So I'm so happy with this. Thank you very much, Senamon. You did a great job on this one. So I'm really happy with this one. Price wise, it's way cheaper than the other one. The quality of it, I think it's the same quality. It's using a felt on this one. And then what else? The compartment wise, there's a lot of compartments. There's a lot of pouches that you're going to put your stuff in it. So far so good. So I give this a thumbs up. So now we'll put it into test next month when I travel, and then let's see what's gonna happen then. Thank you very much again for watching Charles, California. Until the next video, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. Hit the notification button so that you'll be notified of the new videos that I will have. And don't forget to support me more and more, and thank you very much for that. Always remember to do what makes you happy. Have a good one, and thank you very much.